To enable backtap gesture on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all we need to go to settings. Now over here we're gonna scroll down and choose gestures. And then here scroll down again in order to find quick launch. There we go. Over here we can tap on this option in order to enable or disable quick launch. Besides that, we can go to the settings by using this icon over here in the bottom left corner to choose what should happen when we double tap the back of the phone. So in my case I have chosen take screenshot, but of course we can switch to anything else. We can even open an app or something. I'm gonna actually stick with the screenshot. We can also adjust the tap strength as well. So now we can tap the back of the phone somewhere over here, let's say, and we should be able to perform the selected action. Sometimes we need to get used to it, sometimes it works pretty well, for me at least, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, there we go, it worked. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!